Short exercise 14-1, long-term note payable. So on January 1st, 2025, Alvarado Hayes signed a $200,000 5-year 6% note. The loan required Alvarado Hayes to make annual payments on December 31st of $40,000 principal plus interest. So here are our requirements. We have to first journalize the issuance of the note on January 1st, 2025, and 2, journalize the first note payment on December 31st, 2025. So here for part 1, record debits first and credits, select explanations on the last line of the journal entry. So this is to journalize the issuance of the note on January 1st, 2025. So that means we will be receiving $200,000 cash, and that's going to be a debit to cash since cash is an asset and is increasing. We'll go ahead and input that there. And this cash is in exchange for a note payable. So we'll go ahead and credit $200,000 to the note payable because, again, it is a liability and increases here with a credit. We'll go ahead and scroll down here, and it does require a explanation here, an explanation. So received cash in exchange for a note. And let's go ahead and check our answer. Okay, well done. And then here for requirement 2, journalize the first note payment on December 31st, 2025. Record debits first, then credits. Select explanations on the last line of the journal entry. So what's happening here on December 31st is we have to pay our first payment. And remember, the payment says $40,000 principal plus interest. So we're going to have to calculate interest here. So let's go ahead and start by inputting interest expense, which will be increasing here with a debit, since that is here on the left side. And we can go ahead and calculate that. We'll go ahead and open our calculator. So since the note is a 6% note, we have 200,000 times 0.06. And so that's going to be $12,000 in interest. That's principal times rate right there. And then the note payable, close out of this, will be decreasing here by $40,000 since we are paying $40,000 payment right there. And then the last piece here is our cash. So in order to balance the transaction, we'll go ahead and add these together for $52,000. And that's decreasing our cash since we are paying the interest and note payable. And then go ahead and input the explanation here. We paid principal and interest payment. And we can go ahead and check our answer. Fantastic.